Terra Classic USD just pumped 300% on the day. What is going on in this world? I don't seem to understand anything anymore. I'm sure it surprised quite a lot of investors, myself included, but there's actually a reason to explain this pump from Terra Luna. So in this video, we're going to look at the possible reason why Terra Luna Classic is pumping, and we're also going to analyze the price pattern of Bitcoin. If you appreciate this type of content where I just go straight to the point without any BS, do subscribe for more and watch the entire video till the very end. So let's quickly jump in and do a little market watch. Bitcoin coming in at $19,900, dropped 4.5% on the day. Ethereum coming in at $1,120, dropped 7% on the day. BNB coming in at $218, dropped roughly 8% on the day. Let's also take a look at the top winner on the 24-hour. Terra Classic USD coming in at roughly 8 cents, pumped 252% on the day. 1 inch coming in at 73 cents, pumped 8% on the day. Titan coming in at $5.10, pumped roughly 8% on the day. The whole crypto market cap is once again below $1 trillion. I mean, it's not surprised to see this type of correction because we had been pumping over the weekend. Next up, let's also jump onto the chart of Bitcoin and look at what's going on. We did lose the 20k level of support, and right now Bitcoin is just, to be honest with you, I'm just trading sideways in this range between roughly 19.7k to 21.8k, and this rectangle right here is a major resistance and major support range. Well, that being said, in the next few days, we could be getting a sort of a relief rally from all the damage that has caused in the past few weeks. We did get a relief rally from 2 weeks ago. If you bought the bottom at 17.8k, you'll be making roughly 22%, which is quite generous. Right now, we're obviously in a bearish trend. We are moving downward, and as you can see, we zoom closer, you will see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And just within this range alone, 21.8k is going to be a major resistance. And since we tested this level once and twice before, and when we still not managed to stay above this level, and Bitcoin right now is once again testing this major support line. And if we do lose this support line, things can get pretty ugly pretty fast. If we do lose this level of support, it will be forming this sort of descending formation, and we can get down to 17.7k pretty quickly. If that happens, let's zoom out a little. The next logical support will be 13k. But as I always said, TA is about looking at the probability. That I'm not saying something's certainly going to happen, something's certainly not going to happen. If we do turn around and turn this 21.7 or 21.8k level into a support line, then we could be looking at this region of 22.6k to 23.7k. Well, if that does happen, if we manage to stay above this region, the next major resistance line will be 28k. Well, of course, I don't think we will get there very soon. Well, if you zoom out and look at the price pattern, we haven't actually tested this region very much between 23k to 28k. That also means that if we manage to break and stay above this level, it will be almost like no resistance between 23k to 28k. So right now, we're basically just trading sideways in a bear market. We do have a very choppy range. Well, this range between 13k to 28k does look the most probable downside or upside to me at the current moment. Well, from just what I'm seeing in the chart, there's absolutely more pain ahead. I know right now is not the perfect time for crypto, and you could be judging your decision for coming into crypto, but you need to understand that you're only one market rally away from being a total different position than you are currently right now. One thing I like about the crypto market is that the narrative can change rather quickly. Moving on to the next part of the video, let's look at Terra. If you don't get the reference, make sure you watch the MV that I posted on the Boxmining channel a few days ago. It's pretty good, and I they put quite a lot of effort into making the song, so make sure you check it out. Well, anyhow, most of the cryptos today are in the red, and except you see this giant bubble from Terra Luna Classic. So the question being, what is going on? What kind of triggered this pump? Because Luna Classic should be considered a dead token because developers are not choosing to build on the classic Terra Luna again, right? But from what we have seen in the past few days is that Terra Luna Classic is kind of becoming the new Dogecoin in town. It's sort of like a meme coin because it's built around community. And community coins have been proven to be, it can go a long way depending on how long the community holds off. And one of the reasons for Luna Classic to all of a sudden start pumping again could be because of video released by Anonymous. So Anonymous is an international group of hackers, and they recently released a video in which they vowed to uncover Do Kwon's illegal actions that led to the collapse of Terra and billions of dollars in losses for crypto investors. This group of hackers are really famous of hacking and exposing corruption in governments and major corporations around the world. There were recent rumors about Do Kwon of him cashing out on $18 million per month. Well, the video released by Anonymous did not share any information about Do Kwon, but they did warn the group was looking into Do Kwon's entire history since he entered the crypto space. Well, the release of this video from Anonymous is actually quite a pleasant surprise for us Terra Luna Classic holders. Well, because Do Kwon has caused quite a lot of trauma and pain, and I do think us investors do deserve an explanation. So the reading of volume and market cap confirms that the announcement by Anonymous Group resulted in the positive price action of Luna Classic. However, the supply held by Whale's metric did not register an uptick. This means most of the accumulation was viewed by retail traders. Well, there's huge volatility in the Terra Luna Classic token, so if you're trading it, please be sure to take profit. I do want to keep you guys updated with the whole Terra Ra situation, so if you want to see more similar contents like this, please do let me know by commenting down below, and I'll keep the videos coming and continue to bring updates. That being said, this is going to be all in today's video. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one.